Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix group invite requests on Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Chats option. Go ahead and tap on it to access all your conversations. This is where all your individual and group chats are organized, making it easy to manage your communications. Now, from your list of conversations, locate and tap on the group chat where you're experiencing issues with invite requests. This will open up the group conversation and give you access to all the group settings and management options you need to handle pending requests. Once you're inside the group chat, look at the top of your screen and tap on the group name. This action will take you into the group settings page where you can manage everything from members to permissions and notifications. It's the central hub for all administrative controls related to that specific group. Next, scroll down through the settings until you find the option labeled Requests and Invites. This section is specifically designed for group admins to manage who wants to join or who has been invited to the group. It's an essential feature for maintaining control over your group's membership. When you tap on Requests and Invites, you'll notice two tabs at the top of the screen, Requests and Invites. These tabs help you distinguish between people who have asked to join your group and those who you or other admins have invited. For fixing pending requests, tap on the Requests tab. This is where Signal displays all the pending member requests that are waiting for admin approval, as documented in Signal's official features. In this section, you'll see a list of all the people who have requested to join your group. Take a moment to look through the names and find the person whose request you want to accept. Once you've located them, you'll notice a check icon positioned right beside their name. Tap on this check icon to approve their request and allow them to join the group. After tapping the check icon, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen asking you to verify the action. This is Signal's way of making sure you don't accidentally add someone you didn't intend to. Simply tap Add to confirm and complete the process. The person will now be successfully added to your group and their request will no longer appear in the pending list. And that's it, you've successfully managed and fixed the group invite requests on your Signal app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.